you wanna be with me, with me, with me, with me, with me, with me, with me. If you wanna be with me, you got me hypnotized by the way you look at me. Being up you like you, you're crazy. You should be hard to be close.
What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy, and in this video I'm going to unbox another nice Dolby Atmos soundbar. So before start the video, if you are new to my channel, then subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. And if you like my work, you can donate anything to my channel. In fact, you'll find the payment links in the description below, and my other channel links are there too, so you can go there and check them out. So let's start this video. So today I'm gonna unbox and check this Boat soundbar. It's not just ordinary soundbar, a 5.1, it's a Dolby Atmos soundbar. Like here you can see 5.1.2 5050 DA, that's the model number, and here you can see Dolby Atmos. So as you know, the 5 is for the channel and 0.1 is for the subwoofer, and then 0.2 for the Atmos speaker, the up-firing speaker. Here you can see. So that's the soundbar, that's how it looks. So I'm gonna unbox this now, and you're gonna check the product, how it is. So that's the product. I've unboxed everything and it's all here. So that's the soundbar. First, let's take the measurement of it. So that's the length, almost 27 inches. And let's check the width. Little more than 3 inches. And the height is not that much, close to 2 inch. So now let's check the satellite speakers too. That's the length, 6 inches, and the width would be same, little more than 3 inches, and of course the height would be same too, close to 2 inch. So that's the measurement of the soundbar and the satellite speakers. Now as you can see, the soundbar looks very nice, premium, and at the top this is matte finish, not piano black, which is gonna get dirty much faster and gonna get fingerprint on it. But this thing is very nice, very smooth. So here you can see the boat logo at the top, and let's take a look at the front. At the middle here you can see 2 drivers are there. That's for the center speaker, and here you can see the display, and on the right side that's the right channel driver, and the boat logo is there. And on the left side, that's the left driver, and the Dolby Atmos logo is right there. And the front grille is metal. And here at the top, that's the left Atmos driver. And on the right side, that's the right top Atmos top firing driver. So here at the right side of the soundbar, you get the buttons here, power button, mode button, and play, pause, and next and previous buttons. That's it. Now let's check the channel speaker. As here you can see, one driver is right there, and on the right side one air passing port or maybe a tweeter is right there, but one 2-inch kind of driver is right there. And same with the left one. As you can see, one driver is there, and here the air passing port or maybe a tweeter is right there. So that's it. Now check the input and output port of this thing. So at the back here you can see EARC, HDMI port, and then the optical port, and the USB port, and then the aux socket, and that's the DC in socket, and that's the socket for subwoofer out. So in this thing the power supply is not in here, and it's not a separate adapter is given too. But as you can see, the DC in, So the main power supply is inside the subwoofer. I'm going to show you now. So this is the subwoofer unit and the power supply is in there. But before check that out, let's see the dimension of this thing. So let's check the height, which is 11 inches, and then the wide is little less than 6 inches, and the depth is 9.2 inches, like that. So that's the dimension of the subwoofer, and the front side is pretty clean, and at the top the Boat logo is right there. On the right side you're getting 6.5 inch subwoofer driver with this cloth mesh covering. And now let's come to the back side. Here at the top you get the air passing port, and the Boat logo and other information is right there. At the bottom here you can see the AC power socket, and here two wires are coming out from the subwoofer. Here you can see one is for the DC output, which is going to the soundbar for the power supply, and another one is the subwoofer out connection, which is coming from the soundbar. So mainly the SMPS is inside here, and you gotta power the subwoofer up, and from there the cord is pretty lengthy, is going to the soundbar. So now let's come to the surround speakers. As you can see, you'll get one speaker with pretty lengthy cord right there, and you get another speaker with the socket at the back right there, as this is wireless surround speakers. So like one speaker will connect to another one, and you gotta give the power supply to here, and this thing will pair with the soundbar wirelessly. As you can see, the pair button right here. So you gotta connect this RCA here. That's the connection for the left surround speaker, and you gotta give the power supply to this right surround speaker. So I'm gonna show you that, but before that let's check out the accessories and all. So here get this warranty card, get some screws for wall mount, get nice remote control, and let me show you closely. At the top you get the power on off and mute button, a volume plus minus button, preview next button, and play pause button at the middle. And here the reset button. By pressing this button you can turn on and off the surrounds, and also by press and hold you can reset the soundbar. And here EQ button, input button, and trebles and bass. And nice thing is that you get rear volume control buttons. This is a power supply for the rear speaker. I'm going to show you that now. And this is the AC power cord for the subwoofer, and here you get the user manual, aux cable. These are the mounting brackets for the surround speakers. You get the battery for the remote control. So quickly set it up, and then I'm gonna show you in details and give you the demo of this thing. So I have connected everything, and here you can see turned on, Bluetooth is on, and that's the adapter for the rear speaker, and they also paired. And now let's check the input. It has BT, then aux, then ARC, and USB, and optical. I come to BT again. Let's check the bass treble, how much it can go up and down. So let's check the treble. It's +6 and can go down to -6, and bass +6, go down to -6. And let's check the rear volume. See, surround +6, and I think same, go to the -6. Yep. And now let's check the volume, how far it can go. Okay, so 30 is the max. So now let's check some sound.
If you wanna be with me, with me, with me, with me, with me, with me, with me. If you wanna be with me, you got me hypnotized by the way you look at me. Lean up to the light, your body. You should be my body. You should know if you in the storm of town. We're fighting for you to come back home soon. The family's miss you. Lost love, we see you.
So you heard the sound of it, and I must say quite impressive. What I lack is a little bit of treble. As you have seen, the treble was at full maximum, and also the sounds were at maximum, but still I feel little lack of treble there. But bass is very good and clarity is very nice, and surround speakers, the sound separation, as I heard 2 songs, it was very good. So I'm gonna check in details later, watching movies and connect to HDMI ARC. So stay tuned for those videos too. But now let's come to the price point. This thing cost me around 11,500 on Flipkart, and this thing is on discount on Flipkart. You might get another more card offers too, but for 11,500, this is a 5.1.2 Dolby Atmos soundbar. Is pretty impressive, and as you have seen, the looks and finishing is quite classy and premium kind of thing. Like, it looks very costly, so that's the nice thing. And the sound clarity is very good. The vocals are very nice, but as I told you, a little bit lack in the treble, or except that, overall the sound quality is very good. So yeah, for that price point, 11,000, around 11,000, I definitely would like you to try this soundbar over others. So that's it. That's all for today. If you like the video, hit the like button, and if you want to know anything about this soundbars or any other soundbars and speaker system, you can ask me in the comments below. I'd love to reply to all of you guys. So stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.